Okay, for this project, we're gonna build a set of steps going up there with a little patio at the top. We're gonna build those steps out of 4x6 pressure treated timbers that we have here in the trailer. And then these stones are gonna be the steps. So we're gonna build the boxes out of these timbers. There'll be 3 of these in each step, 4 feet wide, 16 inches deep. Still got to do a little bit of figuring, but I think that'll work. Then we'll build the little patio at the top of the staircase out of those 10-footers. There is the stack of pavers. Those are 16 by 16. Got 100 of them there. 3,600 pounds worth. That's the project. We're gonna come out 10 feet, build a little box here, fill this back in with crusher run gravel, good drainage gravel. And we're gonna set our timbers on that, fill them in, and we're gonna put our pavers over it. And then we're gonna build the stairs coming down this way. From this patio, we're gonna go right straight down this way. Okay, this is what I got so far. Just trying to get staged for laying these pavers out. So these 4x6s are going to set on the outside of this little concrete footer here. We're going to bring in some gravel this all up to grade, get our box, and then start running down the stairs. But I need to go pick some 4x6 by 12s up. I only brought 10s because I thought it was going to be on the inside of this concrete, but as it figures out, that slab is 9'3". And these pavers, what was it, with 8 of them in a row, come out to 9'2". So I didn't want to move these in to the corners because that would take up another 5.5, 11 inches, and I'd have to cut every paver. So as it sits right now, we'll only have to cut one right down the center when we get to the end here. So just trying to get these blocks unloaded. There's 100 of them. Trying to get them staged so that we can throw them in when we need to. Been using the excavator bucket. Holds 10 of them nicely. Five on each side. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Summit Outdoors. We're back here working on this patio project on November 1st. And as you can tell, it is cold. But I think we got this patio worked in, graded off to where we're going to be needing it. So just getting ready to put some bank run in here, some good material that'll get the water wicked away from all the wood. I'll turn the camera around and show you what we got going on. So there's the patio pavers that we're using for this project. And I decided that I'm gonna have one step going up from here because running this out, it was way out into the air up in here. I would have had to bring in a lot of fill. And we need to build the stairs going down to that. But first, we need to get this back up there where it belongs, like that. We'll build a box in here, fill this all in with some good crusher run, and then we'll start building our stairs going down that bank. Going to use those paver blocks. 4 per step is going to give us 4 foot wide. So we'll have to build our boxes. We're going to build our boxes out of this 4x6 material. And this patio will be roughly 9'2" by 9'2" is what the blocks lay out at. So 7 blocks. 7 of these blocks is 9'2". So luckily this concrete pad here was just a little over 9'2", 9'3" I think. So then we're going to build the width of this, the length of it out, 9'2" also. We'll box it all in, put some crusher on in here, and then start building our stairs going down the bank. So that's where we're at so far. We'll get this other 4x6 placed in here, get her boxed in, see what she looks like. Well, we got the box built here. She's all squared up, ready to roll. Just got to fill it in with gravel. Put our pavers in there. First thing you know, or tomorrow probably, we're going to start building the stairs. They're going to come right off of here. 4 feet wide. And straight down to that little makeshift bridge there. Ways to go yet. It's looking good though. Well, it turned out to be a beautiful day today, November 3rd. How about it? Just gorgeous out. Blue sky, sunshine. We're almost to the bottom here to hook up with this little bridge here. It's gonna go across this ditch. I'm thinking maybe 2 more might get us there. Then we'll start backfilling these boxes and putting those pavers inside them. Get them all leveled off perfect so those pavers come flush to it. And get these boxes all filled in with bank run. Yep, turning out nice. Anybody wanting an idea of how to build a stairs on some steep banks, these boxes are working out pretty good. 4x6s, pressure treated. Yep. Now we're gonna get this gravel in here spread around. Blocks are gonna go in here like this, right up to the top of here. The blocks are 2 inches thick, so we want to get this gravel spread around nice and even to where it's 2 inches below those 4x6s. Then we can screed this off. We're going to make some sort of a screed, and then get it nice and level. Start setting these pavers in there, and then do the same on the stairs. Here's the finished product. Got to put sand down yet in between these cracks. Fill it in. Just building the bridge across the ditch down there yet. A little landscaping. Okay, we got the poly bind broomed out on this project here. We've watered the upper part of the patio, so that's setting up right now. Got all the joints filled in nice. Should be good to go in 15 minutes. I'm going to throw some water on the rest of these, lock them together. Got the hose set to shower so that it's nice and gentle on the joints. None of the poly bind gets washed out. You can see the poly bind starting to pool up. The water starts to pool up on the pavers. That's when you know you've got enough water on them. It's almost like a soft rubber once it gets activated. Kind of like a cushion. Pretty cool.